So this is my review for Google Dictionary. Right off the bat, I really like it and its usefulness. It's very simple to use and very user-friendly. I didn't realize that Google made an extension like this for Chrome. So right off the bat, I think this would be very helpful or useful when students are reading articles or researching or do whatever they need to do on their Chromebooks or computers at school. So for example, like Newsela, a really good source that I like to use in classrooms. This science article here, say students are going through it and reading it and they aren't sure of a word they come to. So for example, like illuminated, like they don't know what that means. They could double click on it and it gives them the definition. If they want to know more, they could click more and see more about it on the actual web browser. Another example that comes to mind is say that we have a Google Classroom for our students and they have their spelling packet online versus being a hard copy in class. They can use their spelling packet and then use Google Dictionary simultaneously. They don't need to be flipping through tabs and risking becoming off task or just distracted in general. So I think this is super easy to use. I think any student can use it, special education, general education. It's easy to download and very user friendly. So